What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are here in Middlebury, Indiana at the 2021 Classic Car Cruise-In at the Essen House. We're roaming around. Earlier I didn't have signal, so I couldn't go live, so I recorded it. So you'll have to watch that later on. I'll upload that maybe tonight. But right now, I figured since I have my signal back or whatever, we'll try and shoot a live video. But right here behind me, guys, look at this. Can you see it? Right, C8 Corvette convertible, and it is bright red. I was already around this car, so don't miss it in the clip. I'm telling you, that thing is awesome. Definitely don't miss out on watching that clip to come. I'm not gonna go back around. That guy was real nice. There's a notification, the Trap My Ride is live. That guy was real nice. We talked about the car and things like that. Let me ask him a few questions or whatever, and he just wants to enjoy his day, so I let him be. I'm just grateful he brought this out. So far, this is my favorite Corvette C8 so far. I think we might have some live viewers here. I can't really see who it is from here, but hey, thank you for watching. I will see who viewed later on. All right, there's the white Corvette, but we're gonna get this flipped around, guys, and I'll let you just walk around with me and check it out. Look at this. Yeah. It's old Mercedes back here. A couple bikes pulling in, but we're gonna flip this camera around and we're just gonna have a walk around. So thanks for joining us, guys. Appreciate it. Check this out. I need to move here so I don't get run over. I'm in this guy's way here. Mercedes motorcycles. Look at that. Got a Camaro here with man, that thing is loud, isn't it? Looks like an LS1 Corvette engine in it, is what I would presume. And then we have this. The inside of the engine base, colored paint match the top there, and the rear fenders. The inside dashboard looks like it's done up too. We'll have a peek there, but look at this. This is probably a C6, C7 Corvette engine. That is awesome, guys. Look, beautiful, beautiful car. See this? Everywhere. Look at the inside. They got the dash, the white gauges, chrome, painted to match. Man, that is nice, guys. Leather stitch seats. Looks real good. Real good. I like this car. I could drive this car. That would be cool by me. Ford Ranger sitting here on the corner. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's a nice shady spot. It's about 20 degrees cooler. Man, all these cars lined up everywhere, guys. That looks like spectator parking over there. But look at this, man. Got the old rods, the Corvettes. Corvettes over here, guys. Lots of Corvettes. Look at this yellow Stingray. All right, guys, we're back. Sorry about that interruption. Check out this yellow Stingray. Man, this thing is nice. Look at this Pontiac Solstice. We got a C4 Corvette, a C5 Corvette. Looks like another C7 Stingray. A couple of them up there. Ooh, one's got Lambo door, guys, but definitely get that on and check that out. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at all the caps. They got Stingray emblems. Beautiful car, guys. Nice. Bright yellow. Little bright chrome rims. It's like the Chevy version of the Stangbangers car. Man. Pontiac Solstice. Look at this. C5 Corvette, guys. This is nice. I like this. This convertible is cool. Man, when I was a kid, this car was the stuff. Especially with this fiberglass center here. Man. This was the cool car. There we go. Beautiful cars out today. Ooh, look at the orange one. That's a C6 Corvette. There's a black C7 Stingray. Man, this thing is bad. There's another 7. That might be a Grand Sport. But this C6 is awesome, guys. Look at this. He got the Lambo doors on here and everything. LS3 Pro Charge. Guys,